The MeshSmooth Modifier. This MeshSmooth Modifier is used to smooth out 3D mesh objects. So let's put a 3D mesh object in. We're going to start with putting a box in our drawing. And there's my box. I'm going to pick on it and I'm going to convert it to an editable mesh. And now I'm just going to come over into my sub objects, pick on some polygons, and I'm going to do a few minor edits here. I'm just going to start picking things and making some variations here for us to see. All right, nothing fancy here, but just trying to get some visual indicators here. All right, so there we are. So now we have something that needs smoothing. If we go over into our command panel and go to modify and go into our modifier list, and we go down and we pick Mesh Smooth. So I'm going to come down to my Mesh Smooth, and in my Mesh Smooth, bam, it smoothed everything out. I mean, in my mesh smoothing, I could go into my subdivision amounts and change these iterations. The more iterations I do, the smoother it'll be. It'll calculate better, and I can change my smoothness value. But right off the bat, it smooths very well, even if I don't change anything. And I'm going to click here, and I'm going to change it back to realistic, and you can see just how smooth that is just by doing that change, the difference between the two operations. So if I go back and pick on it and I turn off my mesh smooth object, you can see how square the edges are, and then when I turn it on, it smooths out all my edges. So the MeshSmooth modifier is used to produce smoothness in 3D mesh objects.